So picking up where we left off last time, if you notice, I'm zooming in and out over here in the scene area, and I'm just swiping up and down on the mouse as if it was a mouse wheel. And then if I hold the Option key down, I can drag around this way, and that's while I have this tool selected. Okay, now, so this sprite sheet here, we're going to edit this. So I'm going to select this, and over in the inspector. Real quickly, if you don't have your scene set up like this, these tabs can be moved around. You could drag this game window around and replace these and reset your environment however you like. But okay, moving forward, the sprite sheet here, I'm going to edit this by, whoops, I just have it highlighted, and I'm going to go Sprite 2D and UI. You're going to hit apply. If you don't hit apply, it'll warn you about that. Okay, so now it can be used for a UI object, but I want to slice it up first. And to do that, we're going to use the sprite editor. But you'll notice there's no sprite editor window. It used to always come by default with Unity in the past. And so now when I hit OK, I'm going to need to add that. See, from the package manager, which is useful to know how to do this. So you're going to go Window, Package Manager, and we need to find packages not in the project but in the entire Unity registry. We need this 2D package here, so that has 8 packages for 2D stuff. So let's just go ahead and hit install, and it might be overkill. Maybe we don't need all that stuff, but we're putting it in there anyways. Probably maybe for time sensitivity, maybe I could have just installed the exact one I needed, but here we go. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Let's see. All right. Looks like we're getting close. So basically what this is doing is it's going to the Unity asset store, we'll say, and it is downloading additional things to our editor so we could do different stuff. So Unity has a lot of abilities, but it doesn't give you all of them, so that the program isn't so big. But now we have our 2D elements, so you could kind of add things in as you go. So now we have the ability to slice this image up by hitting the sprite editor. Okay, and so you'll see. Remember, we were strategic. We said that it's 500 pixels wide, 100 tall. So what we're going to do is we are going to slice this up by they have new no, we don't want custom out sprite editor. How are we going to cut this at pivot mode center? This is a little different than it used to be. So I used to want to chop this thing up. How do we now cut this guy? Let's see, pivot, center, top left, center, pixels. That's not what we're looking for. Where is we want to cut this thing up. Add tab, no. Custom outline, custom skinning editor, secondary textures, no. Skinning editor, custom physics shape, nope. And custom outline, sprite editor. Uh-oh, so I need to know how to slice this thing up now. So we want to turn this in. Oh, maybe this is what I need to do. Okay, sorry for we want to go multiple. Now hit sprite editor, hit apply, and then they've changed things around on me. Okay, so we're going to go by cell size, and now we're going to change this to 100 by 100. Okay, so now you know how this works. I could edit my video and cut all that out, but I want you to know that things change. And this used to be pre-built in, this ability right here. I didn't have to switch it to multiple yet, or maybe I did and I just don't remember. So you hit slice, but believe me, it's a little bit different now. So now when I look at my graphics down here, when I hit apply, okay, it added this little arrow. Now it shows the different slices. Sliced it up. Okay, now on the image, I'm going to pick one of these images and drag it into this image slot. I could drag it there. And maybe I want the second one to be shown first, or the last one. But I think it's probably appropriate to put the first one in there, okay? So right now, there is the image. Okay, so I'm gonna leave in that, I'm gonna stop the video here now, and then I will add the animator in the next video. I think it's probably worth it for you to see the installing from the package manager and like the trouble I had there finding the tool, because the editors always change and they move things around. Okay, so have fun working through all that. Have fun.